Hello everyone, welcome to another very interesting video. Today I will show you high ticket luxury watches affiliate programs and how to join them. Now there are two different high ticket luxury watches affiliate program that you can join. The first one is from Watch Gang and the second one is from Filippo Loretti. Now these are two different websites that you can join. Obviously on the Watch Gang you can go to watchgang.com, you can scroll down here, and as you can see here, if you cannot find the affiliate, to join the affiliate program right here, what you want to do is you want to go to Google and just type in Watch Gang affiliate program. And then what you want to do is you want to just go here. How does your referral program work? Right here, you can click on that, and then you will be able to basically go here and you will be able to join their particular program. Now, if you can join here, you can go to other links, right? For example, here, Watch Gang affiliate program, and you will be able to join right here. This is actually their official website, so you can join right here through ascendpartner.com. Now, this is the first high ticket luxury watches affiliate program. The second one is called Filippo Loretti. Now, basically, you can go to their website, and from their website, as you can see, they have a bunch of watches. They are a pretty well-known brand. You can scroll down and basically right here, if you can't find the affiliate stop, you need to go to here, shop.filippoloretti.com/pages/affiliates. And here you will be able to apply now for their affiliate deal. Now, as you can see right here, if I click apply now, I can basically go and start earning. Right here, I also have join now. So I can click just join now right here. And as you can see, for me currently this button is not working, but you can click join now. And as you can see, if that button is not working, you can click right here on this one. And as you can see, a competitive fixed commission on every transaction, 30-day cookie duration and 28-day validation period, over 1 million monthly page views for them, tailor-made promotional creatives for your site. So you have a lot of different things that you can do. Now, obviously, you need to sign up, you need to fill out the form, and then within the 3 business days, you'll be approved and they'll send you a sign up link to get started. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or comments, or if you want to see more high ticket luxury watches affiliate programs, definitely comment down below or watch some of our videos on our channel on how to join luxury affiliate programs for luxury watches. So thank you guys for watching.